car.
There's something else in there too.
Oh.
What's over there laying next to yours?
More water guns.
Bubbles.
That's for Beckett.
Sweet.
So ladies, here, show you what Beckett see what's in his.
Yeah. A Hot Wheel, Beckett. Another. A chocolate bunny.
Bunny.
Look, we all got the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
2 race cars, chocolate bunny.
You ready to go look for
You
eggs?
gotta go find eggs now. Get your monkey. You go find eggs?
He got put grass in.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go look.
Good. Oh.
There's 11 eggs each. Go find eggs.
Okay, thank you.
Let's go find eggs.
I found 4 eggs.
Well, you go get them.
Do you see any?
Back. Look at the egg. Look in here. Pick it up. Put it in your basket. No, come here. Hurry. Come here.
Okay, we'll open in a second. Put it in your basket. We'll find more. Okay, let's look around. How many do you got?
7 eggs.
That means you get 4 more. Uh-oh.
Chloe just ate one of them. Was in there.
Okay, okay.
I found an egg.
Here, let's put it back in your egg.
Let's keep looking.
You can eat one. Here, give Mama. Give it to Mama. Okay. Put them in there.
All right, let's go look.
Come here. How many you got?
That's 9.
2 more for me.
Let Beckett find a couple.
Beckett! Oh, look who's there.
Right there?
Good
Oh,
job.
good job.
I got 10 eggs.
Hey,
And
look over here.
that means you get 1 more.
Only 1 more. I found a purple egg.
Okay, that's your 11.
Okay, now let's help back. Come on, Beck.
How much did he got?
He got 11 also.
Mm-hmm.
Beckett!
Look.
I'm gonna get him right there.
No, don't get it to him. Let him just point him out to him.
Beckett! He's
Not-
great.
Not all of them, just some.
Look. 2 eggs. He just got some all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has 6
Beckett, over here.
Okay.
An egg.
Back.
Let him look around.
Okay. How much did he got?
I didn't count yet. I still see a couple though.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. He has 7. 8. 9. He needs only 1 more. Oh, 2 more. Bang! I nearly got it.
An egg.
Why did the Easter Bunny put it up here?
You thought you would find it, but...
I bet.
Because I already found the
I want to see your basket. Let's count your eggs.
Let's count.
Let's count your eggs. Let's count them. Okay? Let's sit down.
He has 9 eggs. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
That's all of them.
Is it all done?
Come here. Sit down. There's candy in your egg.
Oh, candy?
Candy?
Can I open up my eggs?
Sit down.
1 egg. Let's see what's in there.
M&M's.
M&M's. Awesome.
Mom, inside here is M&M's.
Which ones did he get?
He got Skittles.
I got M&M's.
Awesome.
Can I eat them?
Oh, here, baby. Put them back in here.
Whoa.
And then we pull out.
Just get one.
Get one.
It was on the floor.
It's okay. Becca's gonna eat it. Okay, put them in here, baby. Let's eat them.
I only have one M&M. Oh.
Chew with your mouth closed.
Look at Dad. Tell him you didn't have a blue M&M.
I don't have a blue M&M.
Yeah, let's get one. I'm sure that can't be good. You put a red Skittle and a red M&M in your mouth.